Hi, I'm Rob Gilmet from South Windsor. No, I did not want a swimming pool. My wife wanted one. I wanted nothing to do with it. They're a lot of work. I just didn't want to be bothered with all the labor. And come to find out, after 18 years, I've never vacuumed my pool because of the in-floor system. So it was the best thing we ever did. Michael took me on a number of tours and he showed me to all these different pools. There was nothing I really liked. So he said, here's a piece of paper, draw it up. And this is what we came up with. I'd come up with the design, I'd show it to him. He would tweak it a little bit here and there. We just kept tweaking it, and this is what we came up with. The spa being attached was the best thing ever because we open our pool very early, around mid-March. Then we don't close it till the Monday after Thanksgiving. So we get to use it off-season a lot, and it's great because with the way it's set up, you can be in the spa and you're still part of the pool experience when people are in there. So I love having it connected.